I have a restaurant, but it's not making money.
Really?
But chefs are leaving.
Where is head chef? Where is he?
The only way to understand your business is by getting into the kitchen and finding out the problem.
Lasciala sola,
I'm going to be a kitchen boss.
We're taking over, and nobody like us, me say we're taking over, and nobody like us, me say we're taking over.
Chicken anticuchos.
Sure you're gonna cover the chicken. It's not that bad.
What is this?
Going to the top, going to the top.
Very important to remember in barbecuing. Any meat is afraid of the fire and women's hands. That is why there are no women working in this kitchen.
Excuse me?
If I think I am humiliating, means you are stupid. I'm telling you, I'm just making you better and stronger. If you don't want me to poke at you next time, like now, make sure your performance is 170%. Why? I give my 100%. This is the problem. You are giving me 100%. But 100% is good enough only for pizza?
Bread.
Exactly. For Pachamama, we need 170. Why 70? Why not 80? Because 7 is my lucky number. Alright? I get to choose the number.
Do you think Beck has any kind of possibility to actually do...
What the fuck is this? How can you sell this for the customer?
This is Chernobyl.
That's a good idea.
Shit, I just skewed my that's my bad.
Running fast.
Давай, давай. Иду работать.
Давай наливай.
What? Say again?
Иду работать.
My first day, man. What do you expect?
Had to clean the floor.
Mopping the floor. It's my ass.
And properly, please.
Alright, alright.
Is he violent?
Let's do some meeting, yeah? Unfortunately, 35% of this restaurant are cocksuckers. Literally. Guys, section 1 is magnificent, amazing, wonderful, fabulous, gorgeous Nico. You know you have a gorgeous ass. Do you know that? Sometimes I look at your ass sometimes I want to bang it. I want to show you a real clean floor, man. Alright, alright. Yes, sir.
This is not funny, yeah?
Yes.
Spaghetti is we're gonna mammonage. We call it mammonage. You're pregnant like me, huh? Twins. Yeah. This is Peruvian deep fried peanuts. Or is it Brazilian? No, I'm Portuguese. By the size of it, it's Brazilian. Looks like it's Brazilian. Oh, my Portuguese alright, I guess. I'm not gonna be here tomorrow. Which doesn't mean that 50p between your bums should fall. Don't, please. 2 pounds each bag, huh? Safe. Yes, sir? Yes, sir. Massage?
Yeah.
Man, you want massage, call me. I'm here to massage you. Right. If you feel sad, if you have a period, problem with boyfriend, some issues going on, you go up the stairs, turn left, 2 doors towards Snappy Snap. You know there is a Snappy Snap shop, and you leave your problems there. You leave your problems there, say, guys, I'll be back. It's only 5-6 hours. I'll come back. Cool, man. I'll buy you a drink later if you wait for me. I wanna go for a break. Can I?
You deserve it.
Wrong, man.
Sorry.
Section 3, chica. Section 2, the beautiful Japatan. Valerio, you're going to be running the drinks and wine. Bonjour, ça va? Peruano, vino peruano. Now we need to have amazing skills to not piss people off around.
Hi guys!
Do not forget about the toilets. So it's the biggest issue. I would prefer to fucking shut it. You shut the door yesterday and you went home, yeah? You nearly burned my house. You shut the door and left. We thought there was a dead body inside. Somebody go there, take the cocaine, overdose, boom! You didn't even open the door. Daddy! Why is your section has marijuana leaf, man? Ristorante peruano, cocaína. Honestly, it has marijuana, have a look.
Louder.
Qualcosa show me.
Скажи see you next time.